Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to boil an egg quickly. First, carefully place your eggs in a single layer at the bottom of a saucepan. Next, add enough cold water to cover the eggs by about 1 inch. Then, place the pan on your stovetop and bring the water to a rapid, rolling boil over high heat. This initial step is crucial for achieving perfectly cooked eggs in minimal time. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, immediately set your timer. For a delightful soft-boiled egg with a runny yolk, boil for 3 to 4 minutes. If you prefer a medium-boiled egg with a slightly jammy yolk, aim for 5 to 6 minutes. For a classic hard-boiled egg with a firm, fully cooked yolk, boil for 10 to 12 minutes. These timings are key to your desired consistency. As your eggs are boiling, prepare an ice bath by filling a bowl with ice and cold water. This step is absolutely essential for quickly stopping the cooking process. Once your timer goes off, use a slotted spoon to immediately transfer the hot eggs from the boiling water into the prepared ice bath. Let them cool for at least 5 minutes. This prevents overcooking and makes peeling much easier. After the ice bath, your eggs are ready to peel. Gently tap the whiter end of the egg on a hard surface to crack the shell, then roll it to create more cracks all around. For the easiest peeling experience, peel the egg under cold, running water. This helps separate the membrane from the egg white. Now, your perfectly boiled eggs are ready to enjoy as a snack or in your favorite recipe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.